And as far as I'm aware, it launched about 10 months ago, and you're already on roughly 60 million run rate revenues.
The way that we see things is that today, less than 1% of the planet can create, deploy, and maintain full stack applications. And we want to basically enable the other 99% to be able to do that. And sort of the way that we do that is a combination of two things. We've built a personal AI software engineer that's anybody's personal engineer that they can use to build anything they want. And we've also built a visual editing environment, which means no manual needed, no developer needed. You can just think and then build essentially with no domain knowledge needed. And so what we're very high conviction in is this future of the world where we can enable the other 99% of the planet to be able to build software. And where we've been playing and experimenting with, I'd say so far, has been just figuring out exactly who to focus on and, who do we empower when and why, pretty much. And so where we are today is really great traction with founders. And so either repeat founders who are building subsequent businesses and they want to, go at it another time without needing an entire technical team. Ironically, sometimes it's technical founders as well. But also, aside from founders, lots of contractors and agencies, and people also building their own personal software as well. And so, a lot of people where for whatever reason they have a gripe or they're just unable to use an existing solution, and they can finally scratch their own itch and just build it for themselves. Most code in the world is going to be written by AI. And he got really frustrated because he'd speak to his engineering peers, other CTOs of startups, or sometimes his staff, and they would just completely disagree with him and say, I don't think so. Like, I think engineers are gonna continue to write everything. And so he thought that actually the industry wasn't being imaginative enough with what we could use LLMs for.